if you have been looking for which loan app works with Opay, so there are different loan apps that are more like available on Opay app before, but now they are much of limited app. So currently now, if you want to know which loan app work with Opay, so all you just need to do, or which loan app is linked to Opay, so all you just need to do is just open your Opay app, then navigate to finance section. Then on this page, it's gonna show a page like this to you. So the next thing you're gonna do is just click on loan at the top right, and if you see on this particular finance page right here, you can see finance from Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank. So, and if you click on loan, you're gonna see if there are more loan apps that are linked or work with Opay. You're gonna see all of them right here. But now you can see all loan services are provided by Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank Limited, and you can see only East Money is available currently, and I have access to borrow up to ₦1,000,000 from the app. And don't forget, this East Money is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store, even though Okash also used to show on this page, and Okash app as well is linked and available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. But then they understand the fact that most people that want to borrow money, they just come to Opay app directly and check if of course they can actually borrow money inside the Opay. So Blue Ridge actually find out that people are really searching for that, so they partner with Opay to have access on to have a page like this where they can actually serve Opay customer, and they have an agreement within each other which is actually working perfectly for them. So if you are looking for which loan app is linked to Opay or which loan app work with Opay, so currently now East Money is linked to Opay and also work with Opay. So I don't know when exactly you might be seeing this video. There are some of other one that might be linked or available, but then you can check on your own Opay app. Check on this page like this. So once you log into your Opay app, go to finance, then go to loan at the top, then you will see all the available loan apps that are linked or that will work with Opay app. Then from there you'll be able to know if you would like to proceed and borrow money from the platform. Thank you.